this morning, okay? So we're gonna simply talk about all of these ingredients. We talk about parsley, very powerful for weight loss, cucumber, lemon, ginger, and celery. All of these ingredients, we're going to be using them and make a nice lovely juice this morning. So hope you guys will enjoy it. So let's jump straight into it. All right, quickly, we're not gonna be fingering around with the recipe this morning. We're gonna jump straight into it and give you guys this an amazing, incredible recipe this morning. So as you guys can see, all of this recipe ingredients right here we're using, it's just one of them, which is an amazing, effective, powerful, and also very good for the gut. All right, what we're gonna do is quickly, time is running, we don't have much time, so we're gonna have to quickly run through this as fast as we can. So the first thing we are going to put in the blender this morning is parsley. I may have to do 2 blend because a lot of ingredients. Okay. Number 2 is cucumber. Number 3, celery. Okay. And then we put 1 medium-sized lemon inside of it, and we're gonna put some ginger also inside of it, and I'm gonna put the remaining ingredients. As I repeat, we may have to do 2 blending. There's a lot of ingredients, so yeah. Okay, seems like, I don't know, hopefully. All right, but it's all good. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, all right guys, I want a simple, because 95% of the ingredients is water, okay, is liquid, okay, so I'm just trying to avoid using this water. I just want to get the juice from the ingredients. Yeah, that's what I need to get, is the juice from the ingredients. So as you guys can see, that's the way it look. Amazing. So if you're looking for something for, you know what I mean, weight loss or detoxing, these are very powerful ingredients to use. Okay, let's get a little bit of water into it. We don't want to be using too much liquid, just a little bit, roughly about half cups of water into it. We don't want to be using too much. Okay, all right, now what we're going to do, we're going to put this on. It's a little bit too much, but it will blend. So excellent. All right, so here it goes, and that's the way it look right there. Okay, so we're going to give it a blend, and then we're gonna strain it. A good vibes. Before you do any blending, remember guys, you can get yourself a copy of my book on Amazon, 50% off right now. Okay, a good vibes. Let's blend this thing and let's crack on. Okay, here it is. Nice one. So what we're gonna do is run it through our strainer. Okay, we're gonna run it through the strainer just like this. So we're supposed to get in a lot of liquid from this. All right, look at that, amazing. Wow, very strong, I can smell it. that smells amazing so far, and it looking good. So you want to use your spoon and get that juice. So we strain it. You don't have to waste this, you can have it, okay? But 50% of it is in the juice, okay? Because the whole of the strainer is big, so yeah. This is amazing. Alright, so you see, that's why I don't like to add too much liquid to it, because if you add too much liquid, you know what I mean, you're not getting, you need to get the juice benefit from the juice. And as I say, at least 50% of this is right here. Okay, excellent. So juice looking so amazing. Look at that. And this is what you want to drink first thing in the morning after you alkalize your body. All right, this is so good and amazing. I love it. Now what we're gonna do is and yeah, that's the way it look. So if you guys are happy with this kind of juice, you know exactly what you need to do. You can always follow me on my cooking show, Chef Ricardo Cooking, and stay tuned in for more tips and ideas and recipes, okay? Every morning, we give you a nice, lovely juice like this. So my advice for you guys this morning, yeah, tune in and get a lot of ideas from Chef Ricardo, guys, because I'm always giving you guys something to make lovely at home. When it comes to the juice, every morning, I normally give you guys a nice, lovely juice. This kind of juice you want to drink if you at least 30 days, the least, to see some good benefit from it. And some, you know what I mean, beautiful skin and health and detox the gut and weight loss. All the list goes on with this kind of juice. So yeah, I love it. It's amazing and fantastic. All right, a good vibes. So tune in for more recipes and more ideas will be definitely coming from Chef Ricardo to you guys. Have a great day, and I will see you with more recipes in the kitchen. Once again, get yourself a copy of the book From Poverty to Purpose. All right, it's on Amazon. A good vibes.